Oke guys, back again. Udah sampai nih di tempatnya guys. Tempatnya bagus banget. Itu lihat di belakang saya. Jadi kalau kalian ke daerah New Hampshire, kalian harus wajib ke sini, namanya Cockway Trail. Ya, kita akan naik kereta ke atas puncaknya summit gunung Mount Washington. Oke. Nih, gue kasih lihat gimana pemandangannya ya. Nah, itu guys. Ini pemandangannya. Wow. Ikutin terus guys, kita jalannya kayak gimana sih di dalamnya nih. Oke guys, ini kita mau keretanya, kurang lebih kayak gini naiknya nih nanti. Ini kayak museumnya gitu. Nah ini kurang lebih kayak gini keretanya nih. Keretanya kayak gini guys. Nah ini dia. Ini sejarah-sejarahnya guys. Nah, ini dulu mereka turunnya kayak begitu tuh guys. Gila. Antri di mana? Alright guys, jadi emang keretanya itu mirip-mirip kayak kita naik kereta sih. Itu ini ya bagus sih. Ini gue kasih lihat ya. Nah itu kayak stasiun kereta. Sih kayak stasiun kereta. Tuh, ada tempat tiket. Jadi ini kita bisa ninggalin. Dia tulis nih. Sudah kayak buat foto booth. Ini buat tiketnya. Nah, nanti keretanya kita dari sana guys. Ini pada kita lihat dulu barang-barangnya apa aja yang ada di sini. Ya standar sih sebenarnya tuh. Nah, begini. Ini nanti kalau keluarnya kita naik ke atas sana. Hoodies. Nah, ada Kanada. Ini soalnya dekat sama perbatasan Kanada guys. Ini apa? Sirup-sirup, sabun. Tuh. Batu-batu. Kayu-kayu. Ini ada tempelan-tempelan juga di sini. Ini ada tempelan-tempelan di sini, lihat situ. Tuh ada tempelan juga loh.
Mana?
Tuh lihat. Ini ada tempelan juga, Bi. Gitu.
May I have your attention, please? This is the final boarding call for the
Murah aja lah.
9 o'clock departure.
Ini lucu lagi buat inian kita butuh. Ini kita butuh yang ini kayak gini.
Ya udah terserah ya.
Mana sih mau yang kayak gimana?
Terserah baby.
Ini aja Pak. Yang ini. Hah?
Keren guys. Jadi buat kalian yang ke daerah New Hampshire wajib kesini
Iwan mau yang ini?
untuk dapetin mana? Dapetin souvenir, oke? Guys, ini jadi ada denah-denah orang dari mana-mana aja yang udah datang ke sini. Ini dari New Zealand ada, dari Pulau Fiji ada, dari Australia ada, nggak banyak, dari Rusia ada, dan dipin-pin gini, Moskow, turun dari Mongol nggak ada, Korea ada, Jepang juga ada, Taipei, Taiwan, China ada, Tibet ada, terus India banyak, Pakistan ada, Himalayan ada, terus turun Kamboja, Taiwan, Filipina, Malaysia nggak ada, Singapura ada, Indonesia cuma 3. Jadi guys, kalau kalian kesini kalian wajib dan taruh di mana kalian daerahnya ya. Cuma dari Kalimantan, satu dari Surabaya, teman saya, kolek saya dari Jakarta guys. Ini Iran, Eropa, dari Middle East, Jordan, Eropa banyak. Terus dari Afrika juga sedikit, Uganda, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Botswana. Terus dari Greenland juga ada guys. Sama dari pulau nggak tahu apa nih, Baffin Island, pulau terkecil. Kalau dari Amerika banyak banget guys. Dari ujung ke ujung Amerika, dari Kanada, terus turun ke Amerika Latin. Terus Hawaii, Alaska. Oke guys.
Celana pendek lagi ya Pak.
Oke guys, kita udah lagi di dalam nunggu keretanya datang. Tuh lihat di belakang. Tuh nanti kita mau naik ke atas sana. Itu keretanya. Keretanya kayak gitu guys. Kita naik ke atas sana. Arahnya ke sana tuh guys. Ini keretanya datang turun dari atas. Keretanya dia nggak ngedorong tapi nggak narik, dia ngedorong guys dari bawah. Karena masih model lama. Ini dibuatnya tahun 1869. Ini model keretanya zaman dulunya begini nih. keseruannya guys. Nanti ikutin terus, oke, videonya. Tuh, ini binatang ya. Oke guys, kita sudah. Oke guys, kita udah di dalam keretanya sekarang. Dalam juga atasnya. Ini jadi dalam keretanya kayak gini. Jadi nanti keretanya itu didorong dari belakang. Bisa kita berdiri, ntar gue berdiri ke belakang videoin, oke?
Biodiesel, we have engineer Phil, who happens to be my father. He's been operating these locomotives for 27 years now. He's been out here for a very long time. He's going to be pushing us up safe and sound today. Now here at the railway, safety is the biggest priority among the operation. That's why my back is facing you. It's not to be rude. We have an average grade of 25%, so our engineer could not actually see ahead of us. So as you brakeman on our journey to the summit, I pay close attention to the track system to make sure there's nothing in the way and nothing wrong with the tracks. Now as we do start off, I ask everyone kindly to please remain seated. But I am the fun guy out here and it's a gorgeous morning. I will make an announcement that it's safe to stand up and roam about the coach. And at that point in time, I do not mind if you swap seats if there's an open one, just please no arguing. And I'll even let you guys come up into the doorway to get photos. And it is a beautiful 4th of July morning out here. It is about 40-45 degrees depending on the wind speed that we're getting. And the visibility, we are able to see out the main this morning, which is absolutely phenomenal. Now we're actually about to be crossing over the Ammonoosuc River. For those on board who did not know, this river actually starts off near the summit of Mount Washington in the Lakes of the Clouds. And it's very, very calm today. But in 2017, we experienced a nor'easter rainstorm that actually gave us 3.5 feet of rain in a single night. And it made the river rate so fast that it actually wiped out the entire day. And we did our season early that year, unfortunately. Now, because I do let you guys get up and roam about the coach freely, there are a few things on the back side of the coach we all need to be aware of. Now, on my left-hand side in the far back, there's a lever hiding out there. That's called a Sprague braking system, and it's currently engaged. That's what's allowing me to stand here. Now, when that brake is engaged, our coach can only roll up our track system. We cannot go rolling back down. Does that sound good? Yeah. I like that response. So as long as we do not touch that lever, we will have brakes all the way to the summit. And last but certainly not least, on the right-hand side, there is a door back there. Depending on where we are, that could be a 3 to a 30-foot drop. So unless you see your brakeman swan diving from this platform, make sure we keep that door closed at all points in time. We are going to be picking up some speed here. And if you look out to the left, we got a lot of lubricants in there.
Oke guys, jadi keretanya udah jalan. Sekarang kita menuju naik ke atas. Lihat dari belakang.
Now that was our engineer letting us know we have officially reached the top travel speed of a whopping 5 miles an hour. And at this point in time, I do not mind again if you guys swap seats. Absolutely alright. And not being your door, just an example. I do not mind if you guys come up here and stand in the doorway. Just make sure we do not build and design a cog railway system on the side of Mount Washington. And for what reason? And the answer is actually Mr. Sylvester Marsh. And Mr. Marsh was a New Hampshire native. He happened to be born in Not to worry, the doctor said. All you need to do to clear up this dyspepsia was just take a nice long walk in our northern New Hampshire woods. Now, when Marsh heard that, he claims all he heard was, "You must climb to the summit of Mount Washington if you ever want to feel better again." And that is exactly what he did. On a nice, beautiful, cloudless morning, he did ascend to the summit on foot, only to be greeted by a terrible storm. Then he later explains in a journal he barely made it through that storm and into the tip-top house with his life. But to his amazement, the next morning,
We'll move out. We'll sit back down and try to I feel like Michael Jackson.
you'll know you've definitely found the balance point once you can put both hands to your side. But
Guys,
Because it creates a little ski
nggak sia-sia ke sini guys. Kalian kalau mampir ke New Hampshire harus datang naik ke Gulfway Trail. Ini bagus banget lihat. Pandangannya mantap banget guys. Right? Ikutin terus guys, perjalanannya seru.
Now, on the left-hand side, it's actually cleared up.
Udah sampai di atas, mau keluar, mau melihat pemandangan di luar kayak gimana sih. Ikutin aja terus. Dingin banget guys, kayak musim dingin padahal lagi summer.
Watch your step. Hope you had a good time. I'll bring you to the lake, sir. Watch your step.
Gila, anginnya dingin banget guys.